गुड़ किने खा लिया गुड़ वाली चाह किने पीती बुआ जी दा नाड़ा किने खिंचया ओ खिंच के मार किने सीटी ओ छड्डो जी छड्डो जाके पकड़ो वो हलवाई ओ जिसने गुड़ की बना दी मिठाई ओ सबको बात है ये समझाई
ओ गुड़ नालों इश्क मिठा
डीजे गाने बजाने आ रुठड़े रुठड़े चीजा फूफड़ हमने सारे मनाने आ
जोर जोर से शोर वोर कर डीजे गाने बजाने आ रुठड़े रुठड़े चीजा फूफड़ हमने सारे मनाने हाँ पर फूल वूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है शगन तेरे की लगन तेरे की हमने कर दी तैयारी है
नच देने सारे
नच देने सारे
नच देने सारे रल मिल के आज हिल डुल के
क्या किया खाने का सारी से इनकार करेगी गणपत बजाना काय को बंद किया
எல்லார லைஃப்ல அன்பா இருக்கணும். ஹஸ்பண்ட் கூட நீ ஒரு வார்த்தை சொன்னா நீ ஒரு வார்த்தை சொன்னா ரெண்டு பேரும் கேட்டு அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ற லைஃப் தான் ஒத்து வரும். எப்படி அன்பு பார்த்தீங்களா அதே மாதிரி அன்போடு இருக்கணும், வாழணும். அதை தான் ஆசீர்வாதம் சொல்றேன்.
And I know both of them are loggerheads, very strong personality, but I guess they will find their way of adjusting and leading their life, and that's how it has to go, you know. Whereas when I look back, my married life was very different. I mean, my husband was little overpowering and I wasn't. I mean, it worked for us, but I will not say that you have to work like that. I'm sure with strong personalities, people still have a good married life, and I'm 100% sure you will lead your life more fulfilling and with loads of happiness.
तुझे लगता खराब मुझे लगता बुरा, सौदा इश्क दा जो है तेरा आ आ एवे सेट तू ना हो परे हट let me go, spoil करना तू मूड मेरा आ आ.
You remember when I asked you to shift your schooling from Dholakwan to Usha Road, and that was a game changer of your life. And this is also a game changer of your life. So I wish you all the best. Thank you.
So friendship, trust, love for each other is the most important thing beyond I think anything else in life.
And Sagar, I got 2 rules for you.
He'll tell you something fun.
So first rule is wife is always right. And second rule is go back to the rule number 1. Thank you.
Mind you, Mama doesn't follow this.
But I ask you to follow you. Thank you. Okay. Yes.
Stay sleeping. I'll let you know.
Sure.
Sagar, you look very nice.
Really?
Record his reaction.
Wow.
I like how you're so gentle.
I know. I'm scared
Understanding
of.
and this mystery right now.
Yeah, I'm scared of talking anything that you have done so much. Wow, look at this flower, dude.
I know, right?
Like,
That's why it took 3.5 hours.
like a flower.
Chasing sunrise on our most important day of our lives. We're getting married in literally 1.5 to 2 hours, and I cannot thank the God and Dad and my mama and Tauji for blessing us with such a beautiful sky, for good pictures, and we're excited. Yay!
मन के सर महके रेशम रेशम लागे रे दिल चंपई चंपई बांधे सिंदूरी से धागे रे सुनो कनमनी सुनो कनमनी शहनाई सी बाजे रे
I'm so grateful that I have my mother with me today, and I'm grateful that I have my dad's blessing from upstairs. I'm sure he is just doing a cheers with God with a whiskey glass and saying, "See, I got my daughter married to the best man in the world." So I love my mom a lot. She has given me the wings to fly, and now I'm flying away from her nest to make my own nest with her guidance.
I think any big event, any big games, we used to watch together. And I think number of lunch in UAE, we used to explore a good food, because Falguni is a good foodie, by the way. She likes food. So she used to take us to some good places to try some new, her favorite food. Yeah. So from both of us, happy
Happy
married life. Yes.
well, the saints are actually insane. So I would say, have patience. I know you have patience, but
And we keep testing it.
and they keep testing it. So you just need to keep it a bit longer. They always come around. See, they might say that they'll be like, no, मेरा बात मानना होगा, मेरा बात मानना होगा. But ultimately, it'll work out in a way that you both will collaborate and your opinion would be heard. You just need to have a little patience. They do get hyper. They might get a little insensitive when they get hyper, but they do come around. They are very emotional people. They are very kind people. You just need to have the patience with you.
And we love crazy also.
They love crazy. You do something crazy, they'll be very happy with you.
Surprisingly, it's also been almost half a decade of Sagar for me because I did not realize it's been 5 years since I've known you.
Yeah.
But okay.
I think the most favorite memory of Sagar for me was the trips that we were taking to the supermarket and me fighting with Sagar regarding the grammage per gram.
Oh God.
I think that was and Sagar making amazing food and me never missing home. So he is a very integral part of my life. All things considered, and the way he was able to help me last year with coming in and saving me, career-wise, I don't think I can thank him enough for that.
So I met you. I think you've been one of the most high energy people and always there to kind of, when I go down, you're always there to lift me up, and I'm sure you do that for everyone. And now especially for me. And I think she also matches your energy, so I think you're a perfect match. And I wish both of you all the best.
शादी खत्म करने में बहुत अच्छा फंक्शन हुआ, बहुत बढ़िया लगा। आज मैंने मामूली को प्रॉमिस किया था कि मैं उसको बेस्ट गिफ्ट दूंगा और मैंने शादी में उसको बेस्ट गिफ्ट दिया, ठीक है। और अच्छा लगा। दोनों, सागर भी बहुत अच्छा है, दोनों की जोड़ी बहुत अच्छी है और हमारे फैमिली के लिए उनको वेलकम है। हैप्पी मैरिज लाइफ टू सागर एंड फाल्गुनी।
हंसी हंसी तेरी कनक कनक करा पूरी अभी अभी तांकड़ तक जनक तक दी टिंकड़ तक जनक तक दी तांकड़ तक जनक तक दी किड़ तक जनक तक दी नीला पवन मुगम केन तेरी मद सदा गणम पवन केन पूरी मद तांकड़ तक जनक तक दी टिंकड़ तक जनक तक दी तांकड़ तक जनक तक दी किड़ तक जनक तक दी।
तो मेरा उसका बहुत अच्छा अटैचमेंट है। दी ने मुझे बहुत कुछ घुमाया दुबई में और सागर भैया ने भी बहुत कुछ दिखाया है, मतलब यहाँ जाना है, यहाँ पे खाना है, इतना बढ़िया। मतलब स्टार्टिंग तो दुबई का स्टार्टिंग दी ने करवाया था, तो खुश थे सब।
फाल्गुनी और सागर बहुत क्यूट है, दोनों जोड़ी बहुत अच्छी है और वो हमेशा खुश रहे मेरी तरफ से, यही है।
I remember you telling me how she gives you a purpose to live, and that's something I know everyone looks for in someone. So really glad you found her. And Falguni, I want to say good luck dealing with Sagar, but also I'm sure you know genuinely how good of a person he is, how fun and high energy he can be, and also can be a bit much sometimes, but he has his pluses.
She's a fun-loving person for sure.
Yeah. Right, like for sure. She doesn't care and she's just.
She's really bold and that's very admirable also.
Yeah, she keeps Sagar in check, and I'm happy that happens. Our Mama Ji is always taken care of, so amazing. I love her for that. So all the best, guys. Really appreciate it, and have an amazing life.
Proud to see my sister who has really grown up to become a woman. One thing which I really want Falguni to remember, and I think I don't need to tell her, but she'll always do this. I want her to be my younger sister always. Like, like even now, I want her to still be my younger sister. Even 20 years from now, I still want her to be my younger sister. Like a little baby who I pretend to take care of, but is actually taking care of me.
This is
for future me that see you reached here. You had the most toughest month. You planned a wedding. You're doing your MBA. You are nailing at your job at a leadership role. You're doing amazing. So if you plan to have kids anytime soon or later after 2 years, don't get anxious, don't get scared. You will do fine.
Sagar, you are such a kind little boy. Little boy, you know, a grown-up boy. But I was so touched when I heard that you were moving to take care of your dad. And when Vijaya shared that, I really wanted to help, you know, somehow. I mean, first to get your job, first, secondly to just whatever support, because you are such a sweet, hardly, you know, kind-hearted person, and so generous and so genuine. And I'm so happy you found someone who file, and you're going to have a beautiful life together.
Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 oh!
Generally on an app like Bumble, it is the girl that types first. So most girls that I meet on these apps, they kind of just say, oh, hi, hello, how are you, all that stuff. She was the only girl who actually wrote a paragraph, okay? And that paragraph was like, okay, so she was saying that everything about you is perfect, you have so many amazing qualities. Why are you not looking for something serious? And at that point of time, I was looking for something not so serious. Yeah, I was just kind of looking for a dating relationship at that point of time. Never was looking for marriage. That's for sure. Now, cut to around, I don't know, a year and a half from then, we got engaged. And we're married right now. And honestly, it is one of the most beautiful moments of my life, and I couldn't be more happier to be marrying the girl of my dreams.
Like a river flows truly to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you.
Sagar's childhood memories are, so many and it's
memories.
full.
Full.
Our heart is full of his memory.
He never cried.
Yes.
In the night, he laughs.
He laughs.
No?
Even when he gets up in the morning, he laughs.
He laughs. Never cried. And he is a very, very caring child. Very caring and very emotional also. And he's very sensitive boy.
So now it's we'll have to see whether Falguni is making him laugh or making him cry.
Never.
Vijayaji, you don't worry about Falguni now. She is our daughter.
She is our daughter,
Yeah.
not daughter-in-law.
And moreover, you have one more home in Mumbai.
And in Delhi.
So please drop in anytime, anyway, at the night, please drop in.
तू चलिया ले चल वही आज का ये दिन है मेरा दिन बस तू जाने का जहाँ हो राजा और हो रानी और मैं हूँ हैरान तू चलिया ले चल वही तू चलिया ले चल वही ले चल वही अगर तुम होती ख्वाबों में अगर तुम जाओ ख्वाबों में इशारा दो, इशारा दो, आज का ये दिन मेरा दिन, मेरी मर्जी का, दुनिया में रंगीन, मैं सतरंगीन, शायद नजर आऊं कहीं, तू चलिया ले चल वही, तू चलिया ले चल वही, ले चल वही। अगर तुम होती ख्वाबों में, अगर तुम मिल जाओ ख्वाबों में, इशारा दो, इशारा दो, चलो हम मिल चले। Her biggest quality is the fact that she brings color into anybody's life. Whether it's mine, whether it's her parents, whether it's her family, whether it's my family for that matter. I always felt that my life was kind of black and white, and she brought the color in that.
I think I was emotional because I've been, I've been given wings to fly by my parents, but probably I was not ready to fly or make my own nest. And the feeling of leaving my house and entering to another house, it was a little very emotional for me. Also, while the knots were being tied, of course this was one thought because I saw my mom and my brother. My brother did my Kanyadan, which is like a very big thing for me. Apart from that, the second thing that was going on in my mind was, I think both of us as a couple have gone through a lot in last 2 years.
Yeah.
Generally, people go through this amount of hardships in 10 years, and that's how they have the commitment and the understanding. So in the last 2 years, I've seen his lows, whether it is, looking for a better opportunity.
Shifting countries, let's be very honest, no other partner that I know, I like my friend circle or anybody in my family, in the first year shift countries for another person, right? She took that leap, that no, I will, because I basically had to come to Mumbai back for my family and for other reasons, and she was like, no, I will take that leap of faith, I will leave my own nest just to be with you. And that was something that I was very shocked. And I was like, I know there's nobody else that will do that much of a sacrifice for somebody. And that was a huge sacrifice, a very big sacrifice.
I think that was the time when we started our commitment. I think before then we were still like observing each other, knowing about each other. I was still launching him, soft launch in my family. But me moving back to India was my way of communicating that this is my commitment to you.